Aloha mai kako. My name is Camryn Grace, and for my senior capstone project at Kamehameha Schools Hawaiʻi, I created the Share the Poi podcast. Share the Poi comes from wanting to highlight Hawaiian culture, and a pillar of Hawaiian culture is hāloa, which highlights the creation of kalo. Kalo was a staple in the ancient Hawaiian diet, and it deepened their connection to the aina. Sharing of the poi represents what we are doing on this podcast. Sharing and celebrating our culture from our kupuna in ancient times to modern practices today. The goal of this podcast is to highlight and celebrate Hawaiian culture and language through insightful conversations with a diverse group of guests, including alumni, students, and kumu. Each episode explores personal experiences growing up in Hawai'i and the deep impact of Hawaiian traditions, values, and language in their lives. And for some, how they continue to connect to their cultural identity while they moved away from Hawai'i. My vision is to foster a greater understanding and appreciation of Hawaiian culture. Through storytelling, cultural insight, and the use of ʻōlelo Hawai'i, I hope to perpetuate, preserve, and spread Hawaiian heritage, especially through modern platforms that are accessible to younger generations and Native Hawaiians around the world.